For 2025, the main update is Italy's Decreto Flussi, Flow's decree, for 2025, which allocates a total of 165,000 work permits to non-EU workers, representing the highest intake in a 3-year plan for 2023 to 2025. Additionally, an experimental increase of 10,000 visas was approved for workers in the family and social health care sectors, specifically for elderly people and those with disabilities. There have also been some procedural changes, such as the implementation of a new digital processing system for work permits requiring certified email, PC, and digital signatures for employment contracts, and the new mandatory in-person submission of fingerprints for national long-stay visa applications starting January 11, 2025. Key updates for 2025. Increased work quotas, The 2025 quota for foreign workers was set at 165,000, a significant increase from previous years, as part of the 2023 to 2025 immigration plan. Specialized care worker visas, an additional experimental quota of 10,000 work visas was designated for the family and social health care sector, focusing on assisting the elderly and people with disabilities. Digitalization of work permits, Italy has transitioned to a digital processing system for work permits, requiring employers to use a certified email, PC, and digitally sign employment contracts. Mandatory fingerprints for visas, As of January 11, 2025, all applicants for national, long-stay visas are required to submit their fingerprints in person. How to apply? General steps. Secure a job offer. You must obtain a job offer from an Italian employer. Employer applies for work permit. The employer initiates the application process for the nulla osta, work permit, on your behalf with the Italian immigration authorities. Receive nulla osta. Once approved, the employer sends the work permit to you. Apply for visa. Submit your visa application, including the nulla osta and other required documents, at the Italian embassy or a VFS center in your home country. Travel to Italy. Upon visa approval, you can travel to Italy. Apply for residence permit within 8 days of arrival. Apply for a permesso di soggiorno, residence permit, to establish your legal residency.